So today it's all about a simple snack. Stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Today's snack is 2 ingredients basically in a little bit of time. I'm using the Philadelphia jalapeno cream cheese and honey ham sliced up. We're gonna make some cheese-filled ham rolls. That even sounds good. You can do your cream cheese however you want to, but I like putting it in a Ziploc bag and cutting the corner off and basically just making a piping bag, so I think it makes it a whole lot faster. So you do it however you like, but watch this and we'll show you how it's done. All you have to do is put you a piece of ham on there, put a little dab of this right down the middle, just like that right there. And then roll it up until you get something like this right here. And you kind of squeeze it a little bit and that'll distribute the cream cheese. Now we'll repeat the process as many times as you want to, and we'll throw them in the oven. All right, while I'm zipping through these real quick, I just want to take a moment to ask that you like and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in the low-carb keto lifestyle, and also to thank those who have subscribed and have been checking out the videos. I appreciate you a whole lot. But yeah, as you can see here, this process goes pretty quick and easy. Just keep repeating the process until you get done, and you'll have a good snack here in just a few minutes. So stick around and see how it finishes up. All right, I've got them all rolled up and I'm gonna season them with my favorite stuff here, of course. I'm gonna sprinkle that on and put them in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, we'll get these in the oven and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Here's our cheese-filled ham snacks. So simple, so easy. You can throw them in a bag, take them to work, or just eat them as a snack. Well, there you have it. You can't get much simpler than that. Just put it together and put it in the oven, and it's great, man. You can substitute, like I said, other things in there, but give it a try. Don't be afraid to experiment. I'm going to experiment with some salami and some other meats and different cheeses. Just, you know, put it in the middle. But yeah, sometimes you just need something to have as a snack or an appetizer. So don't be afraid to give it a try. Hey, until the next time, may the Lord bless you and snack well.